Welcome to my channel and thank you for stopping by. Let's make lemongrass tea together. Yeah, so I got my lemongrass, I wash it very well. Yes, so I then slice it into pieces. I slice it like this because I'm using kettle to boil my tea, to boil my lemongrass tea. Yeah, so wash your lemongrass very well, then cut it. You can use kettle, you can use pot, whatever you want to use in boiling your lemongrass tea, you can use it here. So after that, I added cinnamon to it, guys. You need to try this lemongrass tea. Then add cinnamon base. If you don't have cinnamon at home, you can use honey. Just boil your lemongrass tea, pour it. After boiling it, pour it into your teacup or your glass cup, then add 1 tablespoon of honey to your tea, yeah, and take it. But I use cinnamon, yeah. So when I was boiling my tea, the flavor was giving, guys. You need to try this lemongrass tea with cinnamon. Okay, lemongrass is good for cough, it helps in fever, it helps in digestive system, and it refreshes the body. Yeah, so I boil my lemongrass for 5 to 10 minutes. Then after boiling it, I allow my tea to cool before taking it. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share my videos to your friends and to your loved ones. Then also comment on the comment section how you prepare your lemongrass and the health benefit of it, because I want to learn from you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel so that you'll be getting more videos, new updates from us. Thank you. Bye.